The main road, a busy two-lane road that curves to the left. The side road, a smaller street with a stop sign that joins the main road at the curve. Vehicle A, blue sedan driving on the main road. They are following the curve to stay on the main road. They do not have a turn signal on because they are following the natural bend of the priority road. Vehicle B, red SUV stopped at the stop sign on the side road. They want to turn right to join the main road. Vehicle C, yellow delivery van. Driving on the main road from the opposite direction. They intend to turn left onto the side road, crossing Vehicle A's path. The crash. Vehicle B, red SUV, sees Vehicle C, yellow van, slowing down to turn, so the SUV pulls out. At the same time, Vehicle A, blue sedan, comes around the curve at full speed. The blue sedan slams into the side of the red SUV. The quiz layout. Question: 3 vehicles, 1 collision. Who had the right of way, and who is legally at fault for the accident? The options. A. Vehicle A, blue sedan, they should have slowed down for the intersection. B. Vehicle B, red SUV, they failed to yield at a stop sign. C. Vehicle C, yellow van, their turn signal confused the other drivers.